Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Standard 7, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 4. Simple Equation. In this chapter, we have to start with exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3, question number 1. Solve the following equation. Let's we begin with first question. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. First of all, we have to make alone a 2y. So to make alone 2y, we have to first put 2y at the left hand side at the is equal sign. Then after transverse the 5 by 2 at the right hand side. So we can get the 2y alone at the left hand side. So 2y is equal to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Then after you know that the LCM of 2 that is a 2. So we can get the 2y is equal to 37 minus 5 by 2. 37 minus 5 by 2 that is a 32 by 2. Here 16 2s are 32, so that 2y is equal to 16 over here. So y is equal to 16 by 2, so y is equal to 8 over here. Then after 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Then after make the king 5t, make the king at the, so 5t is equal to 10 minus 28. So 10 minus 28 that is a minus 18. Then after make t alone, so here 18 upon 5. So here we can get the t is equal to minus 18 upon 5. Then after a upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 over here. So the term having a variable means a is the variable, so a upon 5 is equal to 2 by 2 minus 3. So that is a final answer. So a upon 5 is equal to minus 1. So a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 5, that is a minus 5. So next, q upon 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Q plus 4 upon 7 is equal to 5, that is a q upon 4 is equal to 5 minus 7. So q is equal to minus 2 over here. Then after we want q, so q here, so put q alone at the right hand side of the equation. After that multiply 2 with 4, so minus 2 multiplied by 4. So q is equal to minus 8 over here. Here you can see that q is equal to minus 8. So q is equal to minus 8 here. Then after 5 upon 2x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 multiplied by 2, 10 multiplied by 2, that is a 20 upon 5, that is x is equal to 4 over here. Then after 5 by 2, x is equal to 25 by 4. So 5x multiply 5x is equal to 25. Here you can see that here you can see that 25 upon 4 multiply by 2, 2 2 is 4. So 5x is equal to 25 upon 2. So x is equal to 5 upon 2 over here. Okay, so 7, after that 7m plus 90 by 2, that is a 13. Then after transfers 90 by 2 at the right hand side, so 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 by 2 over here. Then after 7m is equal to 26 minus 19. So 26 minus 19, that is 7. 7 by 2. So here we can get the m is equal to 7 upon 2 multiplied by 7 over here. So 7 7 cancel. Then after m is equal to 1 by 2 over here. Next 6z plus 10, that is a minus 2. 6z plus 10, that is minus 2. So 6z is equal to minus 2 minus 10 over here. So z is equal to minus 12 upon 6. So z is equal to minus 2. In this way you can find the value of z is equal to minus 2 over here. Then after 3l by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Here 3l by 2. So we want to find the value of l. So first of all make 3l term alone. So 2 by 3. I want to transfer 2 from the denominator to next denominator. So I transfer 2 from LHS to RHS. So in that process we have to do the multiplication of 2 with 2 by 3. Okay, because 2 is here in the denominator, so after transversing, that is in the multiplication with the opposite term. Then next 3l by 2, so we can get the 4 upon 3 multi upon 3. Here you can say that l is equal to 4 upon 3 by 3 over here. So l is equal to 4 upon 9 over here. Then next 2b minus 5. Here the term having a b, make that alone. 2b upon 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. I transfer 5 at the opposite side because I want to make 2b upon 3 alone. Then after 2b upon 3 is equal to 8. So 2b is equal to 8 multiplied by 3 over here. So 2b is equal to 24. So b is equal to 24 upon 2, because 24 here 8 3s are 24 and 24 here you can see that here 2 is in the suffix with the b, so that is a multiplication with the b. And here you can see that if we want to transfer the 2 at the right hand side, then we have to make division of the 2, 24 upon 2, because here 2 is in the multiplication and after transversing that is be a division. Okay, so here b is equal to 12 we can get, because 2 12s are 24. In this way you can find the any solution of the equation. Thank you.